the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Let's go! You're cooking with Nana, a new chef. Quickie meals and recipes, a true chef. Leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the like. Welcome to a real food channel with real insight. Tell a friend to tell a friend and whoever left. You're cooking with Nana, the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Copycat Popeyes red beans and rice. The ingredients that we're going to need today are small red beans, garlic powder, onion powder, creole seasoning, liquid smoke, salt, water, and also bacon. First we're going to put on a pot of rice. You want to add 1 tablespoon of butter for flavor. You can also use instant rice. I have all my ingredients measured out. We need 2 15.5 ounce cans of small red beans, 4 slices of bacon cut into pieces. We're only using that for the grease. 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon to 1/2 tablespoon of creole seasoning, depends on how spicy you like it, 1/4 teaspoon of liquid smoke, and 1/4 cup of water. In a heated pan, we're going to add our bacon. Now we just want to let that cook. Once the bacon is done cooking, you want to remove it from your pan. Now you want to add both cans of your red beans. Mix your beans well with the bacon grease. Next, you want to mash some of your beans, but not all of them. Now you want to add your garlic powder, your salt, your onion powder, your creole seasoning, the liquid smoke, and also your water. And you want to mix until well combined. Now you want to lower your heat and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Our rice is now done. As you can see, it's nice and fluffy. Our beans are done now. As you can see, they also have thickened up. So here we have it, guys, our Copycat Popeyes red beans and rice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.